Okay, super quick idea for you. It's going to be paradiddles, and as you're playing the paradiddles, you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And on that 1, you're going to play your left foot, like this. And then you're going to keep that going, and you're going to keep, you do another count. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the 1 and the 2, you're going to play your right foot, like so. Then you're going to put it all together. And that's the end of that idea. So give it a shot. Just wanted to say real quick, I'm writing a book. It's going to be a book of philosophy. And it's going to be about how everything you learn from drumming, but not necessarily from drumming, everything you learn from pursuing a craft obsessively will teach you about the rest of the world, and then the rest of the world will teach you about your craft, if you will allow that to happen. You can take lessons from what you are mastering, in my case, drums, moving towards mastery. Not to say that I am a master, but I'm moving towards mastery. And applying the knowledge you get in moving towards mastery to the rest of life, and then applying the knowledge from the rest of life back to your particular craft. That's what the subject and focus of the book will be. And that's what I'm going to be talking about a lot on social media. I'm going to be posting ideas like this. I know I've said I would be consistent in the past with posting ideas. This is totally different. The shape and direction of my life are different, and I'm just going to be sharing with you guys all kinds of stuff. I'm reading a lot this year. I've got a huge list of books that I'm going through, not just drum books, mostly non-drum books actually. I just read an awesome book called The Alchemist, and for all of you people out there with a dream, which is probably just about everyone, I cannot recommend highly enough that you get The Alchemist and read it. It made me weep. I had all of the feelings that you can have while reading it. So please give it a read. Please, if you're digging the stuff that I've got going on, any of the things I've shared with you in the past, more to come. It's going to be a crazy year. Either this is going to work and be awesome, or it's not going to work and be silly. But either way, you can watch it and watch it turn to gold, or watch it turn to crap. Whatever. You can watch it like you watch a slow motion car crash where you can't really look away. You're like, oh, this is so awful. I can't believe this idiot's still posting stuff. Okay. I've had my coffee and I've explained my stuff, and now I'm going to go. Goodbye.